Hello guys, so we're going to program some more Python today, and we are going to learn more about Python variable data types. These are string, integer and float. Let's get started. Okay, x equals str, and then this, okay, and then I put 5, and then this, and then a space, then hashtag x will be 5. Okay, now I'm gonna put the period. Okay, now we're just gonna do space, and then data type is string. Okay, now return, and then print, and then this, and then x, and then we're going to go file, save all, right double click, there you go. Now run, and then it says 5. Okay, now we're moving to the next one. Okay, right here, now it's gonna be y equals int, and then double quote 5. Okay, now it should be like this now, and we're gonna do space, and then we're going to do hashtag, okay, and then now we're going to do y will be 5. Y will be 5. Okay, now put the period. Now we need to do b5, okay, and then space, data type is float. No, not this one, is integer. Okay, there you go. Now I'm gonna go return, print y. There you go. Now I'm going to go file, save all, right click this, now run, and then it says 5 and the other one 5. Okay, it's time for the next one, return. Okay, now z equals float, okay, float. After that, we're going to do this, and then 5, and then space. I'm just gonna delete that. Okay, now we're gonna do the space. Now hashtag and z, okay, will be okay, 0. Okay, now the period again. There you go. Now data type is float. Okay, I'm gonna delete that, and then we're going to say print, and then this, and then Z. Okay, now I'm gonna go file, save all, and right double click this and run, and then it says 5.0. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and hopefully subscribe and like. Bye bye.